So finally we have reached the end of this topic. Now so far previously we know that the basic JavaFX project structure consists of the visible fxml file and also the Java file that is visible to the developers. Now within the XML file we create our application's layout, and within the Java file we write our logical code. Now in this topic, along with the previous topic, we learned few extra things, that we have the fxml file, which in our case was application layout.fxml, and we had the Java file, that is my main, that extends from the application class. And in this topic we also saw that we can create another Java file of the class of controller that implements the initializable interface. Now earlier we know that how to connect this Java file with this fxml file by using this statement of fxml loader that will get the reference to the root layout of this file, which is fxml file, right? Now similarly we can connect this Java file, that is the class of controller, with this fxml file by using the attribute of fxController and then providing the fully qualified class name of controller like we have defined it here. So in this way we can connect the two Java files with our XML layout. Now what about these two Java files? So we can connect these two Java files as well, and we will check it out in our upcoming topics when we will start creating our Connect 4 game application. So finally we have reached the end of this topic. Now in this topic, along with the previous topic, we all know that whenever we create any application, we need to have at least one subclass of application class. In our case, we had myMain.java extends from the class of application, which you can see it here. This myMain is basically the subclass of the class of application. Along with this, we also saw that the class of controller always implements from the initializable interface. Now in our case, we had the class name as the controller that implements from the interface of initializable. That you can see it from here. The class controller implements the initializable interface. And in this topic, we also checked out the choice box that enables the user to opt for his choice. Text field to get the user input. Label, just a plain text that was welcome in our case. And also we saw how to use the button in our application. Now before I conclude this video, I would like to throw some light on the mistake that I have done in this topic. Now when I was declaring the button control here, I by mistake selected java.awt, and it is also might possible that you also do the same silly mistake. So always make sure whenever we are developing application in JavaFX, make sure you select the button from the javafx.scene.control package, right? Otherwise you will be in trouble. Now the same thing applies for this label as well. Make sure you select javafx.scene.control. And for the text field as well, select from javafx.scene.control. So that's all for this topic. And now, coming up next, we will have a warm-up session. Now before we start creating our Connect 4 game application, we have to be prepared. So what are the prerequisite topics that we have to be thorough with before we start creating the Connect 4 game application? Let us check out in the next topic. So soon after the next topic, we will start developing our Connect 4 game application from scratch. So see you all in the next topic. Thank you.